Well, hello everyone. This is John, and welcome back to Southern Exposure. Folks, it's early Saturday morning here in South Louisiana. The family's still in the bed. I got nominated last night to make breakfast today. Anyway, that's how they get me. But anyway, I decided, well, I'm gonna make them something a little different today. I've made it before, but I don't make it very often. I'm going to make something that we call a French bread breakfast boat. And what that consists of is some French bread, or we call it po' boy bread here in Louisiana. Basically all it is some long loaves of bread. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hollow out the center of it. And I'm going to throw in some Jimmy Dean sausage, some Jimmy Dean bacon. I've got some shredded hash browns. And from our own chickens in the yard, I've got some fresh yard eggs. And a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of seasonings along the way. That's pretty much all it is to it. All we got to do now is do it. So let's get started. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cook our bacon. The bacon, this is not fully cooked bacon, so I'm going to cook the bacon. Now, the Jimmy Dean little sausages are fully cooked, so all I'm going to do with these is brown them up a little bit. And, of course, I'm going to brown up the hash browns as well. I'll do those last, and this is going to be the first part, so let me show you how to do that. Well, y'all probably already know, but I'm going to show you anyway. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we've got all our stuff prepped up, ready to put it all together. I've got my French bread all out in the center. So this is the boat part, French bread breakfast boat. You know, this is part of the title. So I got that prepared. I've got my sausage browned and chopped up. Got some hash browns ready. Got the bacon ready. Now we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so I had 7 eggs. Now the eggs that are in here, our chickens are the Bantam chickens, so their eggs aren't as large as the regular eggs that you buy in the store. They're a little smaller. You could probably get away with using 4 or maybe 5, but I'm using 7 for this particular meal. So anyway, I've got my eggs in here. I've got a cup and a half of milk. I'm going to add that in. Going to do a little salt and pepper. And all this is to taste, of course. It's really not any set amount. So we've got the salt and pepper in. And we're just going to whisk this up and get it ready. Yeah, this part's pretty easy. I know a lot of y'all have done this 100 million times, but if you haven't, just when you think you've got it mixed up enough, I'll do it a little bit longer just to make sure. All right. All right, I think I've got it pretty good here. All right, we're going to add in our bacon. In no particular order. Add in our hash browns. Add in our sausage. Now remember, this is the Jimmy Dean sausage. It's already fully cooked. All I did is brown that up just to give it a little brownness, a little different flavor. So at this point, all we're going to do is mix it in. Mix this in real good. Okay. Now this is a real hearty type breakfast. It's got a lot of meat in it. So this is going to feed a lot of people. One nice slice of this, it's going to fill you up. This is pretty filling stuff. All right, so I've got all that incorporated in. That's kind of what it looks like. So now we're going to get our bread. Get some of this out of the way. We'll get our French bread up here. And basically all we're going to do is pour it in. Just like that. And we're going to do some on the other side. We'll try to use it all. Alright, got that all done. Okay. Alright, we're just going to level that up. Okay. Alright, that's kind of how it looks, guys. Wash my hands off. Alright. Now you want to have your oven set for 350 on bake. This is kind of what it looks like here. We're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven. This will take about 20 minutes. And then we'll pull it out and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're about halfway through with these being ready. So at this point, I'm going to add some cheese to it. Now, some of my family doesn't like cheese on their breakfast stuff, so I'm just going to do one. But I've just got some cheddar cheese here, and I'm just going to put it on here on the top. Put a nice little coating on there. Let that melt in. So one's going to be with cheese, one's going to be without. That's because, like I said, my wife and my son don't like cheese on their breakfast stuff, but me and my daughter do, so that's what I'm doing. All right, so we got that on there. Going to slide it back in. We're going to let that finish up. It's got about 10 minutes left, and I'll show you what it looks like. So be right back. Okay, guys, here it is. It's all done. Now remember, I put cheese on one of them and left cheese off, but everything else is the same other than the cheese. This was about 20 minutes at 350 degrees, and they cooked up really nice. The French bread is nice and crispy. And let's slice into it and see what we got. I'm going to go right for the middle. Right for the middle. See what we got here. A nice slice out. Got my plate on standby. Hopefully I can do this without a fumble. There we go. Oh man, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good, guys. What do you think? So you got the bacon, there's the sausage, the egg, the hash browns are all in there with the cheese on top. Smells absolutely delicious, man. Absolutely. So what do you say we have a bite? And I'm going right for the middle. Going right for the good stuff. Look at this. Oh man, have a look at that. Everything's in there. Oh, it's gonna be more than I can put in my mouth. Uh-oh. Let me get this over. All right, come here. All right, here we go, guys. Oh man. Oh, that's good. Of course, I got my chocolate milk. Woo! Guys, this is absolutely incredible. Yeah, I've made a mess of it, so it's not very pretty now, but man, it sure is good. Guys, look, this is real easy to make. You can make this for your family. This is something you could do in under an hour to make breakfast for your family. And it's oh so good. And like I said, put the cheese on it if you like, whatever cheese you like. Doesn't matter. My family's going to like the one without the cheese. Here, let me show you again. That's what that looks like. So it's the same thing, just no cheese on top. But man, it is so good. Absolutely incredible. I will leave links in the description about how I put all this together. So don't worry, you'll be able to check it out for yourself. But guys, this is real easy to make. Most of y'all are already shaking your head. Yeah, John, I can make that. No problem. Well, you know what? Go do it. Let me know how it turns out. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know how you like it. Let me know if you make this yourself and what do you add to it or what do you do. I would love your feedback. So, guys, I'm fixing to bring this into the family and we're going to get to eating. I want to thank you all for watching my videos. I appreciate it so much, so much. So, until next time, guys, this is John with Southern Exposure, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, man, that's good.